We might think of the chestnut as iconic, as extra important. Probably it was, just in sheer influence that it had on the ecosystems that it dominated. The destruction of the American chestnut is certainly an ecological disaster. When I first heard about the Chestnut project, I thought that was just a great idea. It was inspiriting. Let's bring the species back from extinction. Species by species is how we're going to save life on this earth, and we're going to do it. Success rewarding this tremendous effort is going to have a joyous reception because we can bring the great chestnut forest back.